If you're looking for a portable carpet cleaner, why not get one that can steam clean as well? Not only to provide better carpet and upholstery cleaning, but to also steam clean spaces like your kitchen appliances, your bathroom tiles, your car interior. Well, both of these can do all of that. And in this video, I am comparing the BISSELL HydroSteam Pro with the uwant Y100. Now, I was gifted both of these, and in this video, I will break it all down and put them to the test. Well, let's get to it. Now, to start off with, the uwant is slightly smaller in size, so if you're looking for a more compact portable vacuum cleaner, it's just a little more narrow, can squeeze onto a shelf a little more easily. And then they both have a few different accessories. Now the Bissell comes with two attachments. You get your standard brush head. This is what you'll use for that carpet cleaning and spot cleaning. It has these bristles so you can scrub into stains. And then the entire top is where the suction goes through and pulls up all of the dirty water. It does come apart completely, so if you need to fully clean it, you can, no problem. And then it also comes with this bristle brush. Now this is for the steam cleaning, and the idea is that it can really get to the corners and scrub anything else you're scrubbing with all of these different bristles at different levels. It even has a bit of silicone in the middle. Now the uwant has a few more accessories, different approach. You also get your spot cleaning, carpet cleaning brush, but this one comes with 3 different heads. You have kind of this fabric-y version. This is really nice if you want to be really gentle. It's non-damaging. And then you can pop that off, and then this head has 2 different sides. It has kind of a silicone-like side. This is great for pulling up pet hair. I really love this with my long-haired cat. And then it has the bristle brush that is a lot more standard to what the Bissell has. So you get a few different options there to really adapt this as you want to. And then it also sucks water up through the top, and this top portion pops right off for easy cleaning. And then for steam cleaning, it's a bit of a different approach. It starts with this steam wand piece that you attach the 2 attachments to, and then you have this very focused funnel attachment that's really gonna spray a lot of steam wherever you want. Great for getting into little narrow spaces. I can imagine this being perfect for the car, in the side pockets, or the cup holders. Fantastic. And then it also has this bristle brush that's going to not only work with the steam, but also scrub with the bristles. So it has a very focused standard bristle brush, and they both just stick onto this top piece, and then you can really get that steam rolling. And then finally, the uwant has a self-cleaning cover as well. So if you need to self-clean the whole tube, you just pop this on the top and spray, and it'll spray into the tube and then run that suction, pulling all of the water right through to clean it. The Bissell doesn't have a self-cleaning function. This one does not at all. So to clean this, you'd need to put this into a tank of water to help clean out this pipe when needed. Now, as for the machines themselves, they are slightly different in the way they work. With the Bissell, you have a 2-in-1 tank. This single tank holds the clean water and the dirty water, as you can see here. This is the interior tank for the clean water or cleaning fluid. I currently only have water in it, but you can also mix this with a portable carpet cleaner concentrate. uwant provides one. There are quite a variety of options out there. And then this tank is your dirty tank. It's really easy to just pick this up and move it around, and you can leave it open completely when needed for it to air dry, which is a key piece to me with these portable carpet cleaners, as when you're not using them, you really want them to have a way for that moisture to actually dry up and go away and not turn smelly. So really easy to keep this open when not in use, and just kind of tuck it on the side of the machine. And then it has this nice easy handle and a very simple dial on the top with the options of regular water cleaning, hot water cleaning, and steam cleaning. Now with the Bissell, it actually has 2 tanks. You have your cleaning liquid tank, which as you can see is a lot larger than the uwant tank. And I really love this tank as well because the top can just stick open when not in use, so it can just air dry like that. You're not going to lose a top. Both of these are very smart in that they don't have any pieces that are loose that you can just lose between uses. And you have a lot of space to fill this up. Again, I only have water in it, but you can always add concentrate. And then you have your dirty water tank, and I was just testing this with coffee. I'll be testing it more here in a moment. And this tank is huge, and it has a nice feature in that this top piece doesn't come off till you pull the handle all the way back, so the top piece stays locked otherwise. And yes, this is a loose piece, but you can just tuck it in here when not in use to help it air dry. Now the Bissell's options are a little different. It also has just the regular water spray and then the steam, but then it does not have a specific hot water function as much as it'll spray the water while having the steam go as well. Now, before I pit these against each other, I do want to talk about the cleaners that come with them out of the box. The Bissell comes with the Oxy Spot and Stain. This is actually my favorite concentrate Bissell makes. They make a lot. The one thing to keep in mind with these concentrates, and this applies to both, is that you want to get the ones for portable carpet cleaners. You do not want to use the concentrate for upright carpet cleaners. In these, it's just a different suds action. You're not going to be able to suction it up in the same way. So really nice there. And while uwant also has their own concentrate, this uwant actually came with their Oxy Spot and Stain Remover Spray. So with this one, you can spray this down and let it sit for a while on the stain before you tackle it with the carpet cleaner. Now for my test, I'm not going to use either of their cleaning agents. I am just going to use the machines with water, as I think that's a more accurate test. And for my first test, we're going to clean this carpet, and I'm going to put some coffee down on it and mustard so you can really see how it works. Now I have the coffee and the mustard, we have the Bissell and the uwant, and to start off with, I'm just going to do the outside with just regular water and suction, just so you can see how powerful these really are. Now, as you can see, they both did a solid job already without any cleaning concentrate or heat whatsoever. I do really love the large nozzle on the Bissell, but the uwant does excellent work as well. One difference to keep in mind is that the uwant sprays out this front little nozzle here, so it's spraying in front, which can change the way you clean. Maybe with this one, you spray first as you go forward, or you can always go back while spraying and then stop spraying and go forward. But you want to make sure that at some point, you're just suctioning up all this water. And then with the Bissell, it's actually spraying underneath. So it's something that you can hold while you pull backwards to really get a solid spray. So now I want to show you how they clean with the hot water. Remember, the Bissell is working more with steam and the water that's in the tank, and the uwant is going to combine steam and heated water. And it's going to heat that water up to 65 degrees Celsius or 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And then for both of them, the steam's more like 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me show you that. Again, I'm not using anything except for water here. Now, as you can see, they both did a fantastic job. I left some gunk right down the middle, and this is really quite impressive, specifically with the mustard. There is still a little bit left, but the fact that I'm only cleaning with just water, steam, and suction, and I'm not using anything specifically to help with the grease and the stain itself, otherwise is really, really impressive. These both have exceptional suction and are really impressive carpet cleaners. Now let me show you how much steam they shoot out. I'm gonna turn them both on and let them get steamy, and then I'll aim them both over these bowls for the same amount of time so we can see the difference. Let me turn these on. Now, once I put the steam over the bowls, it was really quite obvious which one had more power. The uwant sprayed very heavily, and you can see just how much steam came through there. And then the Bissell actually sprayed a little more liquid, but not as strong, though I would say both were pretty comparable in the same period of time. So that's how they steam. And then one other key difference here is that the Bissell actually is still doing suction. This silicone part is suction while it steams, whereas the uwant is simply a steam cleaner. The suction is coming out this part instead. So this is designed specifically for steam cleaning only, whereas this is steam and suction. Now, when it comes down to it, I find these to both be exceptionally impressive. They did a really, really good job cleaning the carpet. The steam is so powerful and so useful in so many ways. You do not need to have a carpet cleaner and a steam cleaner. You truly can have it in one without losing any of the power you get from either machine individually, and that in its own right is fantastic. And when it comes to the sound, I would say that the uwant is a little bit louder, but they both are quite loud. The final key difference between the two of these is price. The Bissell is at a notably higher price point than the uwant. So if you are looking purely on price, I would definitely lean towards the uwant. And even though I'm sure you know the brand Bissell very well, it's a household name, uwant has been making their name in the portable carpet cleaning industry for quite some time. They have quite a few carpet cleaners out there, so this is a brand to recognize as well in this space. And I am really impressed with the Y100, and I'm really impressed with the HydroSteam Pet as well. I think either of these would serve you beautifully, and I hope this video helps you make a decision.